Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is the most important thing you guys need to get started with affiliate marketing, and the must-have that you guys need to actually make affiliate marketing a steady income source and a successful one at that. So, before we get started with this video, I'm gonna tell you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you guys could know when I be posting. And I'm still doing that 30-day challenge where I post every single day. And yeah, so yeah, guys, let's get into my computer so I can show you guys how affiliate marketing works and how you guys can actually, what you guys need to make it a steady source of income. So what you guys are gonna do is actually get any of these free traffic sources. I suggest YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest, because right now, you know, TikTok is blowing up, and you can actually use YouTube Shorts and Pinterest ideas that actually it's like TikTok, where you guys could just repost the same on all three things and just do all that stuff, so you guys could actually get traffic to your opt-in page. But this is what you guys are gonna need to do. Okay, this is how affiliate marketing works and making sure it's a steady income. So you basically just connect. You get free traffic, you send them to an opt-in page, a 2-page website, you know, whatever, and then after you collect their email, you're gonna be sending them to a thank you page. Okay, so after you get them to the thank you page, then you're gonna send them to an offer, and then, you know, that's when you guys start collecting money. But if they don't buy, you got their email, so you could keep resending them to the same offer 5 times, or as long as you guys like, but I suggest 5 times. But I suggest just to keep doing it 5 times, okay? So after you guys done that, you know, that's how basically how affiliate marketing works, to make sure you guys are actually getting a steady source of income with affiliate marketing, even if it's a side hustle or it's your business that you guys been trying to take it off. So that's how it works. So what you guys actually really need to actually succeed with affiliate marketing is basically a 2-page website. You know, no matter how you guys do it, you guys need a 2-page website, okay? And you need an autoresponder to actually collect those emails and keep sending them emails automatically. You know, a lot of people do just use you know, collect them through Gmail and stuff like that for free. But I suggest, if you guys are actually looking this into like an actual business, you know, no matter if it's a side hustle or an actual business, just look at it as an actual business and actually just invest like $15 a month to get that autoresponder in. You know, there's a lot of you know, it's pretty cheap to get started. You know, I know Aweber is 20 and GetResponse is 15. So you guys can actually get one of those things and start collecting them. And also the opt-in form, you guys could use ClickFunnels, or you guys could just get a web hosting service and just actually start it off like that. You know, web hosting is pretty cheap. It's below $100, and you guys can actually start using that instead of ClickFunnels, because I know a lot of people, when they get into ClickFunnels, it's a little bit too expensive. But web hosting is the cheapest route if you guys are trying to do that, because you guys could have web hosting for a year under less than $1. Okay, and I suggest you guys use Bluehost. You know, that's how I started off. I used Bluehost, and one of you know, that's how I had multiple websites with Bluehost. You know, and I also use Builderall if you guys want another cheap route, Builderall, but that's like $30 a month. But like I said, web hosting is the cheapest route if you guys are actually looking for that, and I suggest web hosting if you guys are barely starting off. And the third thing you guys are gonna need is something to give away for free. Okay, that's what you guys really need to do, and make sure you guys actually get that email. You know, you guys could give away an ebook, a guide, updates about anything, or even a video of them, you know, promoting on what your niche is about, stuff like that. You know, whatever you guys want, but you guys need to collect that email. After you guys collect that email, your email list will make you money. Okay, that's why no matter what type of business you're into, email list is a must, because that's when, you know, let's say your YouTube goes down, your social media accounts go down, how are you guys gonna reach your following? Okay, that's why I say, like, an email list is the most important thing you guys need to get started. So, you know, whatever type of business you guys are into, an email list is a must. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not. If you guys want to start affiliate marketing, you know, good, just I had a 3-day challenge down below. It's by Jonah Montana. You guys could actually do that. I did that. You know, I took the course to test it out, you know, because it was growing so big. So if you guys want to take that 3-day challenge, go ahead. It's down below if you guys want to get started with affiliate marketing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you guys will get notified when I post my next video. And I'll probably be posting every single day. Like I said, I'm doing the 30-day challenge right now to do that. And yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully I see you on the next one, guys. Peace.